What's up, guys? Mark here, Wired Customs. We finally got the Cadillac complete, and we're just waiting for the customer to come pick it up. This is his, not ours. This is his. There we go. I'll be using a good little wipe down. We created this little console there. This won't close for whatever reason, but two 6x9s, two cup holders, USB, Wired Customs nameplate, JVC radio. He initially brought us one of those cheap off-brand Android style stereos. I told him it was a horrible option. He told me, man, you think you can just try to use it? I said, it's a horrible option. He said, you think you can just try to use it? I told him, sure, we'll just try to use it for you, but just to upgrade in the future. And then, of course, the very first thing that happened was the radio took crap. So that's why now he has a name brand stereo. All right, guys, it actually looks like he's pulling up right now. So we're gonna turn this off. Thank you.